Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about whether a manual milk pump should hurt and share a simple Pigeon manual pump tutorial to help new mothers enjoy a more comfortable pumping experience. Many first-time mothers worry that pumping should feel painful. In most cases, pumping should feel comfortable. If you experience ongoing pain or significant discomfort, it may be a sign that something in your setup or technique needs to be adjusted. Before you begin, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and correctly assembled. A properly assembled pump helps create a smoother pumping session. Next, sit in a comfortable position where your back and shoulders are supported. A relaxed posture can make a noticeable difference during pumping. Plea the pump carefully according to the manufacturer's instructions, and make sure it feels comfortable before you begin. A good fit is an important part of a pleasant pumping experience. Start pumping with slow and gentle squeezes instead of pumping as fast as possible. Many mothers find that a slow, steady rhythm feels much more natural. If you feel discomfort, do not continue increasing pressure. Pause for a moment, check the pump's position, and make sure everything is correctly fitted before continuing tray to stay relaxed throughout the session. Some mothers enjoy listening to calming music or taking slow, deep breaths while pumping. After the session, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and clean all pump parts thoroughly before storing them. Remember that every mother's experience is different. It may take a few sessions to find the rhythm and technique that feel most comfortable for you. With patience, proper technique, and regular practice, many mothers find that using a Pigeon manual milk pump becomes a simple and comfortable part of their daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.